We are going on a safari, see the lion from a Ferrari. Hope we do not get them malari, it's a party time. We are going on a safari, see the lion from a Ferrari. Hope we do not get them malari, it's a party time.
What is this place? Ew. Hi, welcome to the Erica Show. Last time I told y'all we were gonna go turkey hunting. That's exactly what we're doing. Here with me is turkey specialist
Sadie Hemsworth.
Nice to meet you, Sadie. I'm Erica.
Likewise, Sheila.
Erica.
Right. Likewise, Sheila.
Anyways.
You ready to go turkey hunting?
Okay, so Sadie, what is the correct way to actually get a turkey?
Well, Sheila, the first thing you have to do is call them on your turkey flute. You hear them?
No, I don't hear anything.
We're getting close.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do we have to get like an actual live turkey? Can we just get like a pre-cooked one?
Nah, Sheila, you gotta catch them yourself, skin them, and put them on the bobby.
Excuse me? Skin them?
You smell that?
No. What is that? What are you doing?
Turkey gravy. We're getting close.
Where are we going? Come on. Ew. Ouch. Where are you? What are you doing? I can't make that.
Come on, Sheila. Believe in you.
See, that's why I don't like the outdoors. Oh. These shoes are expensive. Oh my God. Help me. Ah. Oh my God.
Come on.
Oh, really? If we don't find a turkey, I'm gonna be really mad.
They're over there. Calm down, Sheila. Calm down. Calm down. I learned this technique from my mother's father's granddaughter.
That didn't work out. You got any other tricks up your sleeve?
As a matter of fact, I do, Sheila. Been carrying this one around for years.
Wait, stop. No.
No turkey wins!
No!
Ah!
Oh my God.
What was that, Sheila?
I think I broke a rib. I hate you.
Turkeys are gone.
Yeah, because you blew them up.
Oh, I forgot my soda.
told you we could find one pre-cooked. Oh, I should have been in charge of this hunt the first time.
Guys, that was my lunch.
We've been turkey hunting all day. We went through an explosion to get this.
Homeless people.
It's totally the flute, Sheila. Totally the flute.
Do you want to do a tag out?
No. You've been watching the Erica Show. Have a great Thanksgiving.
We are going on a safari, see the lion from a Ferrari. Hope we do not get.
Do it. Do it.
I can't do it.
Go like this too. Be real serious.
Ready to go turkey hunting?
Tilt your head up more. Hold on, let me get down. Maybe that might
It
help.
won't tilt really close.
Well, I have to get it so the shadow's not in your way.
I am.
Turkey gravy. We're getting close.
What do we do? What do we do?
Shh. Calm down. I know this is my grandmother's daughter's grandmother.
What do we do? They're here.
Calm down. Calm down. I learned this.
They're here. What do we do?
Granddaughter.
They're here. What do we do? What do we do?
Calm down. Calm down. I learned this from my mother's father's granddaughter.
Hold on, don't.
What do we do? They're here.
Calm down. Calm down. I learned this from my mother's granddaughter's.
What do we? Ow! That's what you did.
Are you recording this?
Yes, go.
Calm down. Seriously? Matter of fact, I do, Sheila.
Get it? No! Sadie! I can't get lost out here by myself.
Down here, Meg!
You scared me. What are you doing?
Looking for turkey. Come. Please tell me you got those.
What?
I didn't get your foot going in, but I got it just now.
Ah! That's great.
You want to do it again?
Explosion?
I don't know. She's a safari person.
Is that... Are you recording? No. They're gone.
Because you blew them up! Along with us!
Are you okay, Sheila?
No. I'm ripped.
The turkeys are gone, Sheila.
Yeah, because you blew them up!
Come on.
Along with
You're
my
okay.
rib.
Come on. Oh, well done.
Do it, come on.
It's totally a flute. I was totally the flute. It's totally the flute, Mike. Sheila. Sheila, one more time, one more time.